Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Ford's van lineup, but with a twist. Compared to Europe, Ford's current van offerings in North America have been relatively limited. However, recent sightings of the new Transit Custom and Tourneo Custom in the US are sparking rumors of potential expansions in Ford Pro's medium-sized van segment. Let's get the conversation going. Our story begins with a keen-eyed reader, Dave, who spotted something intriguing at Hoosier Pass in Colorado. What did he see? Well, it was none other than the new Transit Custom and Tourneo Custom, both sporting Michigan manufacturer plates. We have several exclusive Ford Tourneo renderings for you. The Transit Custom LCV, clad in sleek white, boasts body-colored panels replacing the rear windows and windscreen. It's got those signature side-hinged split doors at the back, giving it a distinct edge over its sibling, the Tourneo Custom. The Tourneo, on the other hand, rocks a traditional tailgate and flaunts that titanium trim with its unique grille patterns. But don't expect flashy LED taillights or oversized alloy wheels here. Now let's talk powertrains. The Tourneo Custom offers an electrifying plug-in hybrid option, combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor. With an 11.8 kWh battery, it can go an estimated 31 miles on pure electric power. And if diesel's more your style, fear not. Choose from outputs ranging from 134 to 168 horsepower, with options for both automatic and manual transmissions, and even all-wheel drive. Plus, it can tow up to a whopping 5,512 pounds. But wait, there's more. The second-generation Tourneo Courier is hitting the market later this year, becoming the budget-friendly option once the Fiesta and Focus hatchback bid adieu. Starting at just over $20,000 in the UK, the petrol version boasts a turbocharged 1.0-liter engine, with orders opening this summer. And for those eco-conscious drivers, a fully electric e-Tourneo Courier is set to debut in 2024, marking Ford's accelerated shift towards electric vehicles. And there you have it, folks. Ford's van lineup is gearing up for some exciting changes, from sleek designs to eco-friendly options. What are your thoughts on these upcoming additions? Drop your comments down below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.